How to reset your Plesk password. Open the Plesk login URL such as example.com:8443 in your internet browser. Click the Forget Your Password link. Enter your email address or username registered with Plesk and click the Send button. You will receive a password reset email. Now go and check your inbox for that email. Open the email and click the link provided. You can enter the new password manually or click the Generate button to generate it automatically. Now click the View icon and save the generated password. Once you have saved the password, click the Save button. The password has been changed. Let's log in to the Plesk account using the new password. It is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.